Hi, this is Coach Preeta from NutriPal. First of all, congratulations on starting with your health transformation journey. You have already taken the big first step and set yourself up for success. At NutriPal, we strongly believe in the power of three things in this world: scientific knowledge, dietary habits, and coaching. You and your NutriPal coach will have three simple objectives in this journey. Number one, follow scientifically proven techniques to get yourself closer to your health goal, and in this process, learn some nutrition science for yourself too. Number two, handhold you towards replacing your current habits which are preventing you from becoming the fittest version of yourself with better habits. Number three, coach you towards changing your relationship with the food so that you can continue to be fitter for your lifetime without a coach's constant support. Your personal dietitian will be your coach, your support, your knowledge source, and your motivator in this journey. For this relationship to be successful in its objective of helping you transform over next few months, there are few important points we want you to remember and stick to. Number one, not dieting but scientific habit change. We do not recommend fad diets, shortcuts, liquid diets, or meal replacers. We only work on habit building and science driven customized diet charts. The plans that we give are the plans you can continue to follow for your lifetime and do not contain any fancy or exotic stuff. Number two, each body is different. Everyone has different metabolism and different habits that prevent them from becoming the fittest version of themselves. Therefore, losing 2.5 to 3 kgs of fat in a month is much more sustainable than losing 4 to 5 kgs by starving yourself. While your coach will actively track the numbers in line with your goals, focusing on your habit improvement is much more important than seeing the numbers on the scale. This process requires patience and commitment. There are no shortcuts. Number three, not dieting but coaching. Giving out highly customized weekly plans is a small part of what we do. Our main focus would be to fix those 4 to 5 habits that you and your coach identify together, habits that prevent you from getting fitter. Number 4, keep us updated, log your meals. Members who regularly log in their meals are 50% more likely to meet their health goals. So, always log in your meal pictures and keep your coach updated. Number 5, daily reminders. Your coach will work with you to preset some relevant reminders that will help you to be on track. Reminders like adding fiber to your meals, reminders like drinking water if you have poor water drinking habits, reminders of having timely dinner, etc. Reminders are meant to help you, and please keep discussing with your coach which reminders is most helpful for you. Please note that reminders will automatically stop if you stop giving daily updates to your coach on the chat. Ensure to always update your coach even if you have cheated or not followed the plan. Number 6, consultations are important. Consultations will help you to learn more about your body. Your coach will review your last week's routine and progress, and also teach you about some relevant topics of nutrition in these consultations. Simply following the plan will not be enough. So please do not miss your consultations as per the slots booked for you. Number 7, let us handhold you. Any physical discomfort, not liking the plan, need more variety, feeling hungry after dinner, always share your active feedback with your coach on the chat and ask for changes and support whatever required. Your coach will always be available on chat on their working days and will help you instantly. Number 8, side effects of healthier lifestyle. In this process, your energy levels should improve, your digestion should improve, you should feel more positive about yourself, your appearance should improve. There are hundreds of benefits of healthy habits. This number in the scale is just one part of it. Number 9, set yourself up for success. Create an environment for you to succeed. Tell your goals to your family, your friends, and the people you live with, eat with, and hang out with. Avoid storing junk at your home. Ask a friend or a family member to join you in this journey. Put up a big poster in your room with your health goal written on it. Whatever works for you. People who set up their environment this way are 80% more likely to succeed. Number 10. Trust your coach, give feedback. The single most important objective of your coach is to help you to get to your goal. They are very open to feedback. If you do not like the plan or something about our way of working with you, like reminders, consultations timings, or writing the plans, anything, do share this with your coach or write to us at hello@nutripal.biz. Let's get those ingredients as per the list and your inch tape or goal measurement device in place. Time to start your health transformation journey, shall we?